And then I post this to YouTube. I have my own YouTube channel for Algebra 2. Not cool. So when I Googled my name, I saw where I came up. Ugh. All right, detour proofs. Let's go. So in a detour proof, we're going to prove something within something. So we're going to, actually, we have to use a bigger triangle to get to a littler triangle, or a smaller triangle to get to a bigger triangle. So I want us to use a marker and highlight lightly, do a light color, and we're just going to go here, and I want us to outline triangle ABD, ABD, and I have to prove him congruent to ACD. So I'm going to do this. So when I do that, do you see that I actually shared a side? Okay, so I've got a shared side there. Let's go in and mark up our given. Let's go in and mark up our given because that helps too. I just stepped on this. Okay, if angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 and angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, what can I say about the big angles that they make up? Those angles are congruent, right? So I can say that this guy, angle BAD, is going to be congruent to angle CAD. Boom. So I marked up that. Did I mark up all my givens? Okay, what did I not mark up? That's not in the given. That's something you're getting from the picture, which is fantastic. Can I mark up AB is congruent to AC? So I've got a side, I've got an angle. What other way can I prove these triangles congruent? Who's the shared side? AD or DA? So that's how I'm going to prove my two big triangles congruent. We got that plan going? All right, let's go for it. Boom, boom, S and R. All right, so I'm going to start, and I want to put side angle side going down the steps in my proof. The first side I'm going to use is my given. My AB is congruent to AC. So that's given. It is the Thanksgiving season. So that's the first side. Now the angle, to prove the angle's congruent, I'm going to have a few steps in here, aren't I? I'm going to probably use angle addition postulate, and I have to have the addition step, right? And then I got to say the angles are congruent. So my angle step is going to be, oh, I want it to be a different color. Work with me. So to build my angle that's congruent, I'm going to throw down 1 is equal congruent to 2. And I'm going to say on the same line, angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Because again, this is the giving season. That's why we do proofs. So I'm just getting the given down there. Now I have to do my addition step. So can't I add equal parts to equal parts and they end up being equal? So my next step is going to be 1 plus 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is going to be equal to who? Angle 2 plus angle 4. And what mathematical reasoning did we use there? Addition. Addition. Okay, so I added, but now I've got to bring it together using the what postulate? Angle addition postulate. What is the name of angle 1 plus 3? Angle BAD. I need 3 letters. Angle bad, BAD. My puppy got me up at 4:30. Bad puppy. No, it's good because then he didn't poop in the house, so I'm glad he woke me up. Angle BAD is congruent to 3 letters, angle CAD. And this is the angle addition postulate. So these steps right here are my angle, Schneikes, 3 steps to prove an angle equal to each other. We get lucky on my next one. I want it to be a side. Who's going to be my side? So step 5 is going to be AD is congruent to AD. Is it okay if I write DA? Means the same thing. Reflexive property. All right, check this out. Did I just prove step A, 2 triangles congruent? Yes. Sass. So step 6 is going to be triangle ABD is congruent to ACD. I'm writing it wrong. ACD. Because we side angle sided that puppy. All right, how on earth am I going to prove angle 5 and angle 6? Right? That's part B. Yeah, this is a level 4 proof now. This is to get an A. Oh, shoot is right. All right, I want to draw your attention to, do you see there's a triangle within a triangle? I want you to zoom out to 40,000 feet in the air. And is it true that angle 5 is in that tiny triangle? And angle 6, I'm going to use a different color. Do you see why I'm recording this lesson? Oh, I did it too much. Back it up. Oh, shoot, I can't access my rewind button. Whoa. I can't. Oh, sorry, people at home. This was like a major epic. Well, we recovered. Let's do this. Could you imagine watching this at home and your parents are like, this is who teaches your class? Don't watch this at home. They might call Mr. Sanders. You see the lunatic in C205. I don't know why people call him that. So let's go here. What do I have? Do I have angle 3 and angle 4 equal to each other because they were given to me? All right, so I'm going to write down an A because I've got an angle. Do you see that between my green and blue triangle, I have a shared side? Yep. Okay. Do you guys know if I called this angles 5 and angle 6, they're part of my big triangle? Isn't that true? So are angle 5 and angle 6 congruent? Why are they congruent? CPCTC. So I'm going to use, oh yes, they should be 7 and 8. Thank you guys. 7 and 8, I owe you. So then, how can I show 5 and 6 are equal? CPCTC. So let's build in this angle side angle in my proof. So do you guys see I already have angle 3 and 4 equal to each other? Okay, you may write him down a second time. Most people don't want to. They're just going to put another A here. Oh, I'm going to do a different color. A. I'm using angle 3 and 4 in now this triangle. Now I got to do a new side. Do I need to do a new side? No, my side is right here. DA is congruent to DA. But now I have to say 7 and 8. So angle side, I'm going to do angle here, and I'm going to say angle 7 is congruent to angle 8 because of CPCTC. Not bad. So do I have the triangle shortcut in there? I've got angle side angle, so my next step has got to be what? Triangle. We're going to do XAD. XAD is congruent. XAD is going to be CAD. And what's our reason for this guy? Angle side angle. Yes, it should be. Maybe I should, can I just start over? No. What would I do without you guys? I would not. I would not. If you weren't here, I would not have a job. That's true. I would be a programmer. You know what would be sad if I didn't have this job? Do you know how awful it would be for my children? Because I would harass them 24/7. At least I get to pick on you guys for 50 minutes a day. How's this? Oh my God. I feel bad for whoever I'm recording this for. Thanks, guys. I'm a dummy, angle 5 is congruent to angle 6 because of CPCTC. Maybe I will have you grade my proof. I do have it on here. I'm nervous because I'm recording. How's that? All right, we're gonna record another one, but I'm gonna let this one